Understanding roof sealant, essential for home maintenance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore what roof sealant is and why it's important. Whether you're fixing your own home or just curious about English terms related to house repairs, this video will shed some light on the subject. Roof sealant is a substance used to protect and seal a roof from water damage and leaks. It is typically a viscous liquid that is applied to the joins and surfaces of a roof to create a waterproof barrier. Think of it as a protective coat that helps to extend the life of a roof by preventing water from seeping through. There are several types of roof sealants, each suitable for different materials and weather conditions. Some common types include acrylic sealants, which are water-based and great for sunny climates. Silicone sealants, known for their flexibility and water resistance. Polyurethane sealants, which are durable and used for areas with foot traffic. Applying roof sealant is a task that requires careful preparation and safety measures. Here are the basic steps. 1. Clean the roof surface thoroughly. 2. Apply the sealant evenly across the roof joins. 3. Allow the sealant to dry, forming a solid, waterproof barrier. Roof sealant should be used when you notice signs of wear and tear, such as cracked tiles or leaks. It's also a good preventative measure when building a new home, after severe weather conditions, as part of regular home maintenance. We hope this video has helped you understand what roof sealant is and how it's used in maintaining a home. Remember, taking care of your roof with the right sealant can save you from costly repairs in the future. Until next time, keep learning and take care of your home.